Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum EDU, and in this vocabulary session I am back with another set of words for you to discuss from another article today. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel for regular sessions with us, do subscribe it right away. Let's begin with today's session, and the article for today heads as Reinventing Cities on Urban Planning and Disease Spread. Now that we know that we are amid the pandemic because the COVID-19 hit, every state and city is planning to come up with ways possible for the future so that they can preserve or they can save themselves, they can conserve themselves from something like this ahead. So they are planning and they're working on how to control the disease spread. A new urban development paradigm should focus on cutting disease spread. So the next thing or the strategy paradigm is a noun which means a set of an example, an outstanding example of something, जिसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं मिसाल, किसी चीज़ का बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम्पल. सो जो एग्जाम्पल होना चाहिए या जो एग्जाम्पल हम सेट कर रहे हैं, इट शुड बी सच दैट वी majorly or we primarily focus on cutting the disease spread, because at the great pace this is spreading, as fast as we can see, it is as fast as the light, right? So we need to work on to preserve and to cut it short. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's call for reimagining of urban planning and development to make cities and towns healthy and livable. Livable is an adjective which means worth living. रहने योग्य, उसको बनाने के लिए, वापस उस चीज़ को उस तरह से करने के लिए इट इज़ वर्किंग. तो जो मिस्टर मोदी का जो प्लान है या ये जो थिंकिंग है कि वो रीइमेज करेंगे, मतलब दोबारा उसको नया चेहरा देंगे, it reflects the reality of decrepit infrastructure aiding the virus's spread. Decrepit here has been used as an adjective which means old. Okay, पुराना जिसे हम कहते हैं, obsolete. There's another word we use, obsolete. तो वो कह रहे हैं कि जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर की जो ये थिंकिंग है दैट वो बिल्कुल एक नई इमेज क्रिएट करना चाहते हैं, नया बनाना चाहते हैं. इससे साफ पता चलता है कि सच्चाई ये है कि जो हमारा हेल्थ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है वो बहुत पुराना है, बहुत पुराना हो चुका है, जिसकी वजह से ही, पुराने होने की वजह से ही वायरस स्प्रेड इतना तेज़ी से बढ़ते जा रहा है, क्योंकि हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग और अपडेटेड नहीं है. At the Bloomberg New Economy Forum, he emphasized resetting the mindset, processes and practices for safe urban living, and acknowledged that governments actually do little for the working millions. तो उन्होंने ये बात भी साफ साफ एक्सेप्ट की है कि जो सरकार or the government does very little for the people who are working. Okay, for the nation, for the economy, the government does very little for them. So he has given the statement that we need to work on the processes, the practices, the ongoing practices that are there, the infrastructure that we have. We need to pace up everything now. In the first 100 days of the pandemic, the top 10 cities affected worldwide accounted for 15% of the total cases. And data for populous Indian cities later showed large spikes that radiated into smaller towns. Spike is noun which means increase. हिंदी में हम एक word use करते हैं वृद्धि. तो भाई वो जो लिस्ट थी उसमें सब कुछ मेंशन था, कुछ जो कंट्रीज़ हैं जिनमें 15% स्पाइक्स, फिर इंडिया की जो सिटीज़ हैं जिनमें की मेजर इंक्रीज देखी गई है वो भी वहाँ पर मेंशन थी. महाराष्ट्र वन ऑफ दोज, दिल्ली इज़ वन ऑफ दोज. सो वो सब everything is right there, and amid the first 100 of the pandemic everything was visible. Rapid transmission in Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore and Chennai was the inevitable outcome. Inevitable is an adjective which means unavoidable. जिसे रोक नहीं सकते, जिसे रोक नहीं सकते आप, वो चीज़ जो है वो इनएविटेबल होती है. सो दैट वाज इनएविटेबल आउटकम ऑफ डेंसिफिकेशन एंड इनएबिलिटी टू प्रैक्टिस डिस्टेंसिंग नॉर्म. सो यहाँ पर जो रैपिड स्प्रेड रहा है, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द inability to because number one, densification, which means the population. Number two, because people were unable to practice social distancing and this distancing norms and other norms for COVID. In globally recognized Dharavi, which was one of the world's highest slum densities, epidemiologist is a noun which is a person who deals in diseases, control of diseases. Okay, so इसको हम कहते हैं जान आपदिक रोग विज्ञानी, जो कि डेडली डिजीज होते हैं अगर उनसे कोई डील कर रहे हैं. तो दैट इज एपिडेमोलॉजिस्ट. एट्रीब्यूट अ सीमिंगली लो वायरल इम्पैक्ट टू स्क्रीनिंग एंड हर्ड इम्यूनिटी. सो इन धारावी it was seen that it was low herd immunity that could be established, and because of that it spread to such a great height. The pandemic's full social impact, especially among the poorer quintiles, has not been adequately measured here or elsewhere. And as the Prime Minister said, it is only clear that the cities are not as they were before. So, if you see ideally, what is the point? The point is, जैसी सिचुएशन पहले थी अगर हमें वैसे ही सिचुएशन करनी है, it will take a lot of time because the thing that if we talk about the quality, it is definitely lowered. So जो पैंडेमिक का जो इम्पैक्ट रहा है, जो कि मेजरली जो पुअर सेक्शंस पर रहा है, जो हम धारावी का बात कर रहे हैं, स्लम्स का, so it has hit really hard. If governments are serious about the reset moment, he likened it to a post-World War reconstruction plan. They must resist returning to business as usual. So, if we deliberately, so the writer says, if the Prime Minister really wishes to reestablish the entire nation and to renew everything, then he has to come up with the reconstruction plan that was the post-World War, because the destruction or the damage that the economy and the country has faced is of that particular extent. So we need to come up with a reconstruction plan that is strong and we have to abide by it. Okay. Good. Affordable housing is the cornerstone of a sustainable and healthy city. Cornerstone is a noun which means it is the most important, basic. बेसिस, जिस चीज़ पर कहते ना, किसी चीज़ पर जो कि आधारशील है, इस पर सब कुछ बेस्ड है. तो बेसिक जो एक चीज़ है, फाउंडेशन जो है, वो है अफोर्डेबल हाउसिंग. बट इट ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट्स इंडियाज वीकेस्ट लिंक. ये एक वीकेस्ट लिंक, ये शेल्टर काफ़ी लोगों के पास नहीं है. सो शेल्टर इज मिसिंग फॉर मैनी पीपल. सो दैट इज वीकेस्ट लिंक फॉर इंडिया इफ वी सी इन मैनी प्लेसेस. Moving ahead, unlike speculative housing investments, speculative is an adjective which means imaginary. जो कि सोचा हुआ है या अंदाजे से. Okay. Well-designed rental housing that is key to protecting migrant labor and other less affluent sections. Less affluent, less wealthy. धनी, affluent का मतलब धनी, adjective होता है. तो जो less affluent sections हैं, they remain poorly funded. उनको भी अच्छे से फंड नहीं किया जाता है. सो डेफिनेट है कि ये वीकर सेक्शन बन जाता है, एक वीक लिंक बन जाती है हमारी कंट्री के लिए. Mumbai is estimated to have added only 5% of rental housing in new residential constructions 1961 to 2000, and that too led by private funding. So this was also given by private funding and not by the government. The post-COVID-19 era therefore presents an opportunity to make schemes such as the Centre's affordable rental housing complexes deliver at scale, focusing on new good houses built by the state, on the lines of the post-war reconstruction in Europe, Japan, and South Korea. So this is the example given that the post-COVID era should come up with a lot of opportunities for people, and the government should come up with important schemes that are needed, so that it can definitely, people can utilize those schemes, and they can come up with the ways that are possible for the revival, okay, for the revival, mental revival as well as the economic revival that we are talking about. The Ministry of Housing, which has thus far focused on a limited set of expensive showpiece smart cities, could work on this imperative with the states, digitally aggregating and transparently publishing data on demand and supply for each city. On this imperative here is used as noun, which means important point. So इस मुद्दे पर, कहते हैं ना मुद्दा, सो इस मुद्दे पर उनको बातचीत करनी चाहिए और फोकस करना चाहिए, ठीक है, और सबको एक साथ मिलकर आकर डेटा पब्लिश करें और देखें कि हर सिटी और स्टेट की क्या ज़रूरत है, व्हाट इज़ द नीड, एंड अकॉर्डिंगली उसको कंस्ट्रक्ट या रिकंस्ट्रक्ट करने की, रिवैम्प करने की कोशिश की जाए. Lastly, the writer has also stated that it is also an open secret that laws on air pollution, municipal solid waste management and water quality are hardly enforced. So they are neglected. इन चीज़ों को जो है नज़रअंदाज किया जा रहा है, चाहे वो एयर पोल्यूशन के लॉज हों, म्यूनिसिपल सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट की बात करें या फिर वाटर क्वालिटी, एंड दिस इज़ द बेसिक नेसेसिटी. एंड अगर हम इसका ही ध्यान नहीं रखेंगे देन इट विल डेफिनेटली बी अ ट्रबल फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. And tokenism marks the approach to urban mobility. Tokenism, that is mere, I would say, tokenism is mere vague steps taken. It is nothing clear. Tokenism is noun, मतलब एक साफ clear steps नहीं लिए जा रहे, बस सिर्फ दिखावे के लिए आप कुछ काम कर रहे हो. Past scourges. Scourge is a noun which means trouble, or you can say a person or thing that causes a trouble. हिंदी में हम कहते हैं विपत्ति. Alright, that is scourge. So past scourges such as cholera, plague and global flu pandemic a century ago led to change, as sewerage, waste handling, social housing and healthcare that reduced disease. So पुराने, अगर हम पीछे जाएं और पैंडमिक्स की बात करें या फिर पुरानी ट्रबल्स की बात करें, सो उन सब से हमने ये सब सीखा और काफ़ी चीज़ें इम्प्रूव की है. नाउ व्हाट? Governments are now challenged by the pandemic to show the political will to reinvent cities. You have to come up with better ways, और भी चीज़ें हमें बेटर करनी होंगी ताकि हम कम से कम डिजीज़ प्रोन हो, एंड हम इतने स्ट्रेंथन हो जाए हमारी cities or states that whenever we face a challenge like this, we can cope up with it easily. If not 100%, but to a great extent we could. At present we have weak infrastructure. We need to work on this infrastructure and make it better. So this is what the writer also suggests. Here is where the article ends, and the list of the words are there. The list is there in the description. If you go to the link, you will get the entire list there with the words, their synonyms, antonyms, and the example sentences to discuss. You can have that for your future reference, and you can practice these words and comment and let us know the words that you learn every day with us. Keep learning and growing, learners. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe it and like and share the video, as I always say. Thank you so much.